Even as there are so many questions of exactly what Sachin Pilot will do, we're also keeping a close tab on the strategy of Chief Minister Gehlot to save his government after he sacked Sachin Pilot. Gehlot could take no initiative for a floor test and put the onus on the BJP to really kick off the proceedings, bring in a no-confidence motion. The Congress MLAs at this point who are backing Gehlot, they're going to continue to stay in the Fairmont Hotel for now. Two deputy chief ministers could be chosen, one from the Gurjar community, considering that Sachin Pilot has been ousted. The other also could be a Dalit or from the Meena community. The formation of a coordination committee could also be considered to look into the grievances of ministers as well as MLAs and ensure that no one else leaves for the Pilot camp. Gehlot camp could also consider creating a split in the Pilot camp by offering them cabinet berths and thereby ensuring some more MLAs join back. Another option is to also split the BJP MLAs, essentially to ensure that the numbers don't stack up in favor of Sachin Pilot, or in an eventuality that he chooses to join hands with the BJP, even then that there is no threat to the Gehlot government. Dev Ankur is joining us live this morning with more updates on this. Dev, good morning. You've been getting us all the latest updates from Jaipur. Even as we're tracking very closely what Sachin Pilot's strategy is going to be, there's also going to be a keen focus on what the Gehlot government strategy is to ensure that there's no threat whatsoever to Chief Minister Gehlot.
Well, good morning, Akshita. Having covered Rajasthan politics, I can tell you that Sachin Pilot is a feisty politician. He is unlikely to give it up just as yet. And Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot knows that. He knows for a fact that Sachin Pilot, if given an inch, can extend that, can stretch that and fight it out. He has the gumption, he has the willpower to do that, and both sides know that, and that is why the strategy from the Gehlot camp has been meticulous. If you look at the developments of yesterday, Akshita, not just a resolution was passed at the Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur on the outskirts, saying that Ashok Gehlot is our unanimous leader, that we continue to continue with the governance under the leadership of Ashok Gehlot, and that he will continue and there will be no discussion about the leadership. Thereafter, the fast-paced developments not just had party expelling Sachin Pilot from the posts of the Deputy Chief Minister and the PCC Chief, but also having another person, a Gehlot loyalist, Govind Singh Dotasra, as the PCC Chief. All of that, and in fact the new NSUI Chief and various other posts were filled with Gehlot aides or loyalists. So all of these developments in one single day clearly point out to the fact that Gehlot has made this entire strategy of weeding out not just Pilot but Pilot loyalists and his key aides also from key positions, so as to ensure that he has a strong hold now on not just the government but on the organization also, and that is what the strategy will continue with. He has already communicated to the party high command that Pilot was hobnobbing with the BJP, and he will continue to do so, continue with his anti-party activities if this strong action is not taken against him, and that is what the strategy going forward, Akshita, for Gehlot will also be.
The immediate concern for Gehlot, no doubt, is going to be to ensure that he keeps his flock together, that no more MLAs really desert the Gehlot camp and join hands with Sachin Pilot. And we'll have to see how exactly he does that. For the moment, Dev, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.